So we got the passenger side window in, and boy, it sure seals up nice compared to the old ones. I guess it's just new zippers and new plastic. We did Velcro the top in here, so make sure you do that and look for your flaps. And I guess you can't pass up the label there, even though this is a best top product. Pavement ends. Nice clear windows too. So we're going to put in the next one, but as just a heads up, it can be hard to zip because of the tension on the top. So we start our zipper up here, and then start our zipper, and then put our plastics in all the way around. The toughest part of the zipper is right here, and you're going to need to let up some tension in order to zip that. So we'll put in that driver's side window next.